8th June 2018. Man, I hate you. 9th June 2018. I woke up after months of good sleep routine at 11 a.m., hoping what had happened to you yesterday was a nightmare. Look at today. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I have a cloudy mind. My journal helps very poorly. This isn't me. I don't express my emotions freely. But with you, of all the unfortunate incidents of various idols of mine passing on, I felt saddened by yours the most. It's anger. Yes, it's anger. Not because I judge what you did. Your moment of weakness goes beyond anyone's reasoning. I'm angry because I never once wrote to you how much I admire and love your work. I never ever mentioned that during some bleak times of mine, I would wait to see your show, and I would be happy for that 1 hour every weekend. I would see the world through your eyes, travel with you, laugh at your sarcastic, witty take on things, enjoy the food you ordered through your storytelling, and it brought me joy. I hate that I never expressed my gratitude, and I'm sorry. I am truly sorry. Sorry at time. We always assume when we follow our heroes that they will be there forever, that their lifestyle permits them to be invincible. And yes, I did an occasional like to your post on Instagram, on Twitter, and even commented, good picture. But I never said, hey, good work, or hey, that show made me feel so alive, and thank you for that. No, I never did. I took your work and many of my idols that I lost for granted. Yes, I took your work for granted, and I am so angry at myself. So, here I am, thanking you in my own way. A way you probably would appreciate a lot more. Because I believe you loved a simple home-cooked meal. This is my favorite food to make. And I'm making a meal from scratch. And I'm enjoying cooking it. I'm going to enjoy eating it, cherishing every bite, while I sip my cider away. I will, I promise you, truly enjoy the moment while I do, and feel as alive as I did while watching your show. Just like when I experienced every city, culture, nook and corner, no fancy places, well, an occasional posh place. I met some happy people through you, heard heartbreaking stories through you, tasted some weird food, and yet felt magically alive. I felt so alive. Thank you for sizing an otherwise heavy burdened big world to a small happy world through food. Anthony Bourdain. Thank you.